What's going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to make $500 per day, and these clients that you land will actually pay you monthly. Now I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this, and it's going to be really awesome, and you can actually automate it with the way that I'm going to share with you. And the best part is this works worldwide as well, so you can do this from anywhere in the world. Now if you guys are already a member of my newsletter, then you've seen me talk about this app called Reputer, which I'm gonna go into in detail, but this is what we're gonna be using today because this makes it super simple to automatically land these clients because of their built-in templates that will actually prospect for you. And it will actually go and find the leads for you as well, and then it will actually fulfill the service for you, which means that basically you don't really have to do a whole lot of anything other than just kind of use the software, which I'll show you how to do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by going and finding some leads. So we're gonna come under this lead section here in the software, click Find Leads, and we're gonna enter in a keyword. Now this part isn't super important. It just depends on what kind of industry you wanna enter and what location you wanna enter. Again, you can do this from anywhere in the world. So if you're in a different country, you might decide you wanna target the United States because maybe businesses there have more money to spend. It's just up to you. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and choose pizza. And for a location, I am going to do Lakeland, Florida. And I will hit search. So Reputer is going to go out there now and it's going to find us leads for this keyword. And what we're able to do with this is we're able to see a bunch of details at once. You can see how quickly it brought us back results. We can see the business name. We can see what their rating is. And this is going to be really important in a minute. I'll show you why. We can see the reviews. We can see if they have a GMB listing here, and then we can actually go and click on it and look at what their listing looks like. This is really helpful because we can see whether or not they've claimed their listing or not. This one has, but if they hadn't, it would show down here to actually claim the listing. So that's really cool. We can see if Reputer has an email, a phone number, and a website available to them. And then from that point, we can go and we can add this to our lead section, or we can generate a report for them. Okay, so we can scroll down and we can basically find businesses that might need some help with their reputation. So this one has a 3.5 star rating. I'll probably normally, that's Pizza Hut. I would probably normally look for ones that have less than that, but we could take that one as an example just for the sake of time in this video. And we could go ahead and add this to our leads. So I'm gonna create a folder and call this pizza restaurant. That way I can always come back and find this lead really easily for all my pizza restaurant leads. And I'm gonna add that to there. Okay, so now if I come under manage leads, what I can do is I can start prospecting if I want to. Now, like I said, we can also generate a report for this client as well. So if I wanted to generate a report, I could upload my logo, my email address, and my phone number, because that's gonna give the client a way to contact me back. And it just makes the report white labeled to me, so that way, you know, it looks really, really professional. And I can offer my services to them. Now, this is really cool. If I come to the contact lead section, now the best part is that Reputer gives you 3 done for you templates in here to choose from. You have a Google My Business template, which is going to prospect for that. So you can see here, they've got some different subject lines for people who maybe haven't claimed their listings and you want to prospect that way. That's really, really powerful. And the best part is that Reputer gives you tools inside of here to actually claim the listing, to help you do posts and updates and respond to reviews. So I really, really like that about it. It's kind of like this place where you can manage everything. So they have different templates in here. If you want to do review management, you have a template in here for that, and you can prospect from that. So these are proven templates that work for closing clients so that you don't have to think of them yourself. Now you may be thinking, well, okay, let's say I find a client, they have some bad reviews. I use one of these done for you templates. Reputer lands me a client. Okay, I get them to pay me $500 a month. Now what am I doing? How am I going to fulfill that service? Okay, so in the reputation management aspect of it, under Get Reviews, you have a couple of different options. You have a website widget option, which is really awesome. So you can choose to make this a modal, a floating bar, a slider, or a box. But basically what this is going to do is it's going to collect feedback when someone lands on their website. and you can choose where you want this feedback to go. Like if they need more reviews over on Google, then obviously you're going to want to push that one more. If they need more reviews on Zillow, maybe they're a realtor, then you're going to send more reviews over there. So it's going to give you all the options to do this, and then it's going to give you a little line of code that you go and you stick on your client's website. Now, another cool option is this QR code generator. This is great if your client is, let's say, like a restaurant. You could go and do a flyer design, and you can actually have this designed right within Reputer to spit out a flyer that's going to have a QR code on it so that they can actually go and then get a review. So I'm not going to go through the process of designing this all, but if it was a pizza restaurant, I could search for a background of a pizza like this, and I can add it in here. There you go. That's in there. And then I could put text that says something like leave a review, and then I could generate a QR code, and this QR code is going to link over to our place where we want the review to go. So that's how that would work. And again, you can do this all within the app. So basically, Reputer finds the lead for you that needs help. Reputer goes and reaches out to them on your behalf. You charge them, let's say $500 a month, and then you use Reputer to help them get more reviews. And like I said, you can do the same thing as far as with the Google Business Profile as well, because one of the things with Google Business Profile, a ranking factor, is actually keeping them active, right? How active they are on Google Maps. Are they posting offers? Are they responding to reviews? Are they posting posts on their Google Business Profile? Okay, you can do this all within the app, within Reputer, and you can even claim listings within Reputer as well. So anyways, I thought I would share this really powerful tool with you that I've been basically experimenting with over the last few days. For the price that it is right now, it's a really, really awesome deal. But that price, if you're seeing this video right now, that price isn't going to last very long. So I definitely recommend you head over. I'll leave a link in the description of this video and check it out before that deal goes away, because then the price is going to go up. But right now, at the price that it is set at, it's really a no-brainer. I mean, you land one client with this, you're going to be significantly in profit because of how awesomely low priced it is right now. So go check it out. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, leave me a like on it, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.